Welcome, everyone. We're thrilled to have you join us for this exciting journey into the world of upcycling, where we'll transform old scrap materials into stunning works of art. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some crafting experience, this video is designed to inspire creativity and instill confidence in your ability to create beautiful pieces from items that others might consider waste. Upcycling is not just about art, it's a movement that promotes sustainability and environmental awareness, and we're excited to explore its many facets with you. As we explore into today's activities, we encourage you to embrace the process of creation. Remember, upcycling allows you to unleash your imagination and turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. You'll discover the joy of breathing new life into materials that tell their own unique stories, each piece rich with history and potential. Our hands-on approach means you'll be getting your hands dirty and experimenting with different crafting techniques. We'll provide project ideas to spark your inspiration and offer guidance on how to monetize your creations as you move forward. So, let's get started on this thrilling adventure of transforming old scrap into stunning, profitable art. We appreciate you taking the time to join us on this creative journey. If you're inspired by what we've shared today and want to see more content like this, we encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video. Your support means the world to us, so please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts. Together, we can spread the joy of upcycling and inspire others to create beautiful art from waste materials. Thank you for being a part of our community. In a world increasingly burdened by waste, upcycling has emerged as a beacon of hope and creativity. As we navigate through piles of discarded materials, it's crucial to understand the environmental impact we can make by repurposing what others throw away. By breathing new life into these remnants, we contribute to a more sustainable future. Upcycling fosters a mindset that encourages resourcefulness and ingenuity, making it an essential practice for artists, hobbyists, and anyone looking to express their creativity while being mindful of our planet. The journey begins with discovering hidden treasures in scrap materials. From old wooden pallets to discarded metal scrap, each piece has a story waiting to be unraveled. Think of local thrift stores, garage sales, and even your own basement or attic as treasure troves filled with potential. As you gather materials, let your imagination run wild. What once served a singular purpose can be deconstructed and reimagined into something entirely new: a coffee table, a garden ornament, or a piece of wall art that sparks joy. Equipping yourself with the right tools is essential for transforming your materials into art. Common tools like saws, drills, and glue guns become an extension of your creativity. Understanding how to use these tools safely and effectively can enhance your crafting experience. Alongside traditional tools, consider the creativity found in unconventional materials, such as old keys, bottle caps, or glass shards. These items can infuse your projects with uniqueness and character, making each creation one of a kind. Once you have your materials and tools, it's time to explore various techniques that can elevate your projects. For instance, wood can be sanded down to reveal its natural beauty, while metal can be shaped and welded into striking sculptures. When working with mixed media, consider how different textures and colors can merge harmoniously. Techniques such as painting, staining, or even decoupage can enhance your work, allowing your personality to shine through in every piece. When inspiration strikes, it can come from anywhere: a walk through the park, browsing social media, or observing art in galleries. Embrace the process of gathering ideas and develop a project that truly excites you. Whether you're creating functional items, like furniture, or decorative pieces that live on your walls, project inspiration can be sparked by the materials you collect. Keep a notebook or digital file to document your ideas, sketches, and potential projects so you can refer back to them whenever you need a creative boost. One of the most rewarding aspects of upcycling is the potential to earn money from your art. As you develop your skills, consider ways to showcase your work to a broader audience. Local craft fairs, farmers markets, and online platforms provide excellent venues to market your creations. Pricing your work can be challenging, but be sure to factor in the cost of materials, your time, and the unique value each piece brings. Crafting a compelling story around your creations can attract buyers who appreciate the artistry and thought that went into each item. Successfully marketing your creations is crucial in reaching potential buyers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your work. High-quality photos that capture the details and context of your pieces can significantly impact your audience's perception. Engaging storytelling can weave a narrative that links you to your art, drawing viewers in and encouraging them to share your work. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to support your creative endeavors. Creating art is an enriching experience, but it becomes even more fulfilling when shared with others. Seek out local artist groups or online communities focused on upcycling and sustainable art practices. Engaging with fellow creators can inspire new ideas, provide constructive feedback, and foster friendships. Collaboration can lead to fresh perspectives and new techniques, transforming your artistic journey into a vibrant exchange of creativity and passion. As you delve deeper into your craft, pay attention to the broader conversation around sustainability and eco-conscious practices. Your creations can spark awareness about waste reduction and inspire others to consider the environmental impact of their choices. Art has the power to provoke thought and influence change, and as an upcycling artist, you occupy a unique position to contribute positively to this ongoing dialogue. As we conclude this exploration into the world of upcycling, remember that the journey does not end here. Each piece you create, every project undertaken, builds upon your previous experiences and inspires new ventures into creativity. The transformation of scrap into art is not only about the finished product but the rich experiences and stories that emerge along the way. Embrace your creative journey, knowing that every act of upcycling is a step toward a more sustainable and artistic future. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the information inspiring and are excited to start your own upcycling projects. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends or anyone who might be interested in transforming scrap materials into beautiful art. Your support helps us continue creating content that inspires creativity and promotes sustainability within our community. We appreciate you being here and look forward to seeing you in our next video.